What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to discuss how we can clean up Gentoo. Not necessarily cleaning the kernel, which I made a video about it, but we'll talk a little bit about such thing. For cleaning the kernel you can check the video that I made. It's not using any tool, it's done manually. The good thing that I like about Gentoo is doing things manually. It's a little similar somehow to Arch, but still different, since some stuff on Arch is still done automatically. So this is the page that helps you know how to clean up your system. It includes also cleaning up the kernel and some tools that can be used for such thing. So these are the paths that you need to consider when cleaning. You need to be careful when doing this because if some mistakes can cause your system to be damaged because you are handling some stuff that's done on the system directories, which means you need the sudo privileges. Therefore, some of the system files can be affected if any mistake is done. So the first path is /var/temp or tmp/portage. So we copy this file like this. Check what's inside of it. This is for the packages of the main or the default package manager of Gentoo. So it says that if a package installation was interrupted, it's not deleted. You have also the dist files, the source code. I guess this is we can check how much size or how much disk space is being taken by the folders or the directories inside this path by running du, which stands for disk usage, and you can see that it's only 21 megabytes. As long as this is correct, we may need sudo privileges because we may not have the read and write permissions to know. You can see that it's analyzing. Yeah, it's 2 gigabytes. If you want to remove what's inside of this, which you need to be careful about, you run rm-rf. This is almost irreversible and you may need to think twice before doing it. I'm not gonna delete what's inside of this folder for now. For you, you can do that if you are sure of what you want to do or if you want to empty some space on your disk. The next path is this for the source code. We can check what's inside like this. It's given me the installation files, especially the source code for the packages that I installed on my system. The same, we can know how much space it's taken. It's 8.4 gigabytes. If you want to delete what's inside of this, you can simply run the command this one and it's gonna delete everything. If I run it without root privileges, nothing is gonna be done since we are handling some system directories like this, and we can check that it's all deleted like this. It's all deleted what's inside of it. Although I was going to tell you that I don't want to do it, but I did it. You can see that it's not, if you do a mistake of that, maybe for me my system is working well and the path is pasted correctly. For you it can be dangerous you need to be careful. Always know that handling the directories that are related to the system, like /var, /usr, /lib, all of those things are dangerous to handle. This one is empty since I have no binary packages or distribution or binary packages. They are put there. You can also delete the old kernels, modules for the kernels. I have done that. You can check check the modules per kernel version. So you can do like this. I have these versions. For more, you can check the video where I deleted the old kernels on my system. Same thing for the kernels themselves. I said the old kernels for the video because it includes deleting the modules. So check this directory path. You can run this command for more verbose output. Here it gave us the directory of the kernel that's linked to the version. You can do that by running eselect kernel. Otherwise, there is more than this. You can see that I have all these versions. You can delete them manually following the video I have done. This video is more general about cleaning the system in general on Gentoo. So I said I will talk how to clean that in general. And the wiki page continues telling us about some automatic, more safe or safer packages that we can use to achieve the same procedure, the same steps of the manual cleaning, but it becomes automatic. These are packages that are within the main repository of Gentoo, and they are good. For cleaning the kernel, you can run this command to install the package eclean kernel, and there are some, I don't know if I have this package or not, but there are some ways to decide what kernels will be deleted, what versions. You can check man eclean kernel. It has no manual entry, it says. So we can simply check help. It's supposed to have one. You can see the flags that you can use to decide what kernel versions you want to keep and what ones you want to delete. And for the personal files, the home files, you can delete them without sudo privileges, and it's safer to handle them. You can find them in your home.cache /home.cache, which is by using this character or this symbol, and this is the path for the cache folder used by applications, mostly browsers. And for the thumbnails, it's in the same path also, /home for your user .thumbnails. You can check these applications. They are for different purpose, but mostly to know how much disk space is used. So there is also a clean for deleting the packages, especially this path, this one, test files. I use that tool often, and sometimes I manually delete the packages that are in /var /cache /dist files. This path I rarely touch it. It's always the same. I keep what's inside of it. But this one I use eclean to delete what's in it, and it is an automatic tool, and it's safer. You need to use it, and it has some method to know which packages to delete and which ones to keep. The installation I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the installed packages. There is also a method for freeing up the space and cleaning the space by reducing the reserved blocks percentage using this app. It's mostly for EXTN file systems on Linux, so it may not work for other file systems if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and it reduces it by 1% on each partition. You can do defragmentation. I will keep the link of this page on the description for this video. Consider reading and understanding what's happening there. I hope it's clear. Make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for everyone that commented and subscribed. I appreciate it a lot. And peace.